Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: sterilized retainer clips, clean tools, and correct retainer orientation. Now, seat the patient upright and shine light to expose the dental arch. Gently open the clip and engage the intended groove on the retainer. This initial fit sets alignment. Once the clip hooks over the flange, apply light inward pressure so it snaps into place. Make sure to feel for a secure tactile click to know it's seated properly before moving to adjacent clips. Once the first clip is secure, attach the remaining clips sequentially to keep tension balanced across the retainer. Work from one end to the other, alternating sides if possible, so the device maintains its intended contour. Use soft-tipped pliers to nudge clip arms. Small bends correct misalignment without weakening the metal. Periodically seat the retainer to check occlusion and spacing, adjusting until the retainer sits flush and exerts even pressure. If resistance increases, back off and reassess placement to avoid distortion. Finish by verifying retention and comfort. Have the patient close and perform a light pull to confirm stability. If a clip rubs tissue or pinches, reposition or trim the adjacent plastic flange to relieve pressure. Make sure the clip edge is smooth. If a clip feels loose or deformed, don't repeatedly bend it. Remove and replace to preserve strength. One key troubleshooting tip: when fit problems persist, reassess the retainer's base seating first, because poor base contact often causes multiple clip issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.